Hello guys, today we are unboxing Dell KB216 Multimedia Keyboard. This is the keyboard. In the front of the box is the keyboard, and on the side of the box it says made in China, and the model number is KB216, and this is Dell Multimedia Keyboard, and there's something written in Chinese, and then it says made in China. Or on the other side of the box it says in Chinese, and it says compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. It says high speed USB. It says. On the back of this box this says the price is $649 inclusive of all taxes. This is the keyboard layout, and it says feel the comfort of low profile chiclet style keycaps on the Dell Multimedia Keyboard. Enjoy the convenient multimedia shortcut keys. So there is written in Chinese and other language also. And let's break the seal of this box. This is the box content. This is Dell, and let me just open this box. And the color is the black, and this is made in China. And these are the barcodes. And let's just open this box. Or in the back for use only in Mr. IT computer. This is the safety, environment and regulation informations. And this is a Dell warranty card. And this is the Dell warranty cards. And let's open the keyboard. This is the keyboard. There is a function key and the full layout keyboard. And using this function key, we can press the function key and use this print scan option to work. And function key is and press function key plus F12 to forward the music or back the music, and a function plus F9 to search. And this is the 1 2 3 4 and 0 enter. This is the full layout keyboard. On the right side of the is a Dell, and these are the 3 notification LEDs for the num lock and the caps lock keys. So there is a mute, volume decrease button, and the volume increase button. In the back side it is holders of this stands. And on this side, what is this? I don't know. So there is the Dell KB216 keyboard. Hope you will like this. This is made of full plastic, as you can see. Or this keyboard is not backlit. There is no light in between the keys. So this is the keyboard. This is not the mechanical keyboard, but it has clicky keys, so it can be usable. It has rounded keys all over. It has space between this and this. So I can say from the price of $650, it is the best keyboard you can get from. It has a 3-year warranty. So if the computer has liquid damage, there is no warranty. And if the keys are not working, you can definitely go to the service center and change the keyboard. So guys, this is the Dell KB216 keyboard. Thank you guys.